You guys know that I am pumped up. Did we watch the same game? I mean, where the Bears just like spanked the Bills today. I mean, 41-9. We were racking up points way before we even got to the third quarter. So I'm excited. So let's chat about it real quick. So, Fuller and Howard, good job today. The Bears defense was amazing. They really went into overdrive this game. And they're doing really great without number 52. So defense was great. Trubisky was great. And can we talk about those 3 key interceptions that we got? That was crazy to watch. So great performance. So next we got the Lions. If we can keep the same drive, I really feel like we could win against the Lions also. And let's not forget that the Bears are 5-3 and currently number 1 in the NFC North. That's kind of a big deal. You know what I mean? Boom. First place. So, happy Bears fan again. Thank you, Bears. I'm loving what I see. Keep it together. You make Chicago proud. All right, Chicago, stand up, stand. See you guys next time. Don't forget, bear down. Put your W's up, 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 up. Bye.